Okay, I got my replacement battery yesterday. This battery I gotten from the Joyous last year had a problem this year. Anyway, I think the BMS malfunctioned and actually discharged one of the cells. But anyway, I got this in yesterday. I come in here this morning. I was going to put my XT90 on there. I just use the 90s because they're easier to plug and unplug, actually. And I'm using the anti-spark. I'm going to the anti-spark now, and I think people that using any of these aftermarket batteries, this one not so bad, but especially the ones without a switch, that the battery's live all the time. Some of the triangle batteries are made like that. Go with the anti-spark. Anyway, I come in here this morning, started soldering, and I couldn't find what solder I've been using, so I grabbed this stuff out of the bin there. I hadn't used it before, and I started trying to what was I trying to do? Tin these. I was trying to tin the connectors and the wires, and it was just horrible. I don't know if you can see it, but it was just the coldest, clumpiest stuff coming out, and I didn't know what in the world was going on. And I thought the soldering iron was not getting hot enough, this, that, and the other, and I dug around, and finally I found the solder I've been using, and it flows right in there perfectly and stuff. So the solder can make a difference. This stuff is crap. I couldn't do nothing with it, and I've soldered a lot of these up. Anyway, I'm going to solder this XT90 on here, the anti-spark, put it on, get my battery ready. Next few days supposed to be warming up, beautiful weekend. So I'll catch you as soon as I get this on.